Hey gang, I was just about to start filming and I thought it might be quite amusing to show you where I'm working from at the moment. I normally work from my big desk that has everything exactly where I want it, but I'm currently working from my dressing table, which is covered in shit. We have some nail related items such as a buffer, got a couple of foils over here, oh, bag of glitter, some Gel Perfection polishes. We also have some not so nail related items, for example a detangling comb, we have a face mask, fat lot of good that's going to do. Oh, a Rubik's Cube, one of two Rubik's Cubes in fact. We have an inhaler, some vitamin C serum, which does fuck all by the way. We have a lid from what? Well, I don't know. A scrunchie, granted, best scrunchie in the world, but still a scrunchie. I've got a mouse over here, and a New Testament and Psalms little mini book, big old flask. What else do we have? Oh, did I mention the silver dip? What's going on? I have the lid of an old vape, not because I'm an asshole who thinks it's cool to vape, but because I used to smoke and I'm yet to give up nicotine, which is why we also have a vape. What else have we got going on? I think that's probably enough for one tiny desk. So I just thought it might be quite amusing to show you. You're already watching and you're not going anywhere. You're not going out. So I'm going to have a quick tidy up. I'm going to stick some Parks and Recreation episodes on and we will see what happens here. Enjoy the video. So I'm starting with Lilac Lights, which is a sparkly purple, a sparkly lilac, and Snow Angel, which is an amazing sparkly silver, all from Gel Perfection, and Splash Park, which is a nice sparkly blue. I saw this design on Pinterest a couple of years ago. I cannot for the life of me find it again, and I do always try to find the name of whoever did something if I do a recreation, but I can't find it, so sorry. So I'm just popping the colours on in random places over the nail, no particular rhyme or reason, and then taking a brush, which I was trying to get in focus but that wasn't happening, and I'm just patting around the joins. I don't have IPA, isopropyl alcohol, on my brush every time I do this, but sometimes I do. I think I do here, just to sort of blend them into each other. Again, no rhyme or reason, just spreading them out and sort of smushing them all together. I've got to stop using the word smush to describe stuff. It's a gross word. It looked a bit too blue in that corner, so I'm just adding some more. Obviously, if you want to use different colours or different ratios, and put whatever you want wherever you want. So I'm just adding some more of the Lilac Lights there, and once I'm happy with what's going on, then that will go in the lamp for a full cure, which is 1 minute with Gel Perfection. I couldn't tell if you could see the colours better with the white background or having black there, so I tried to show you both. I've got Blackout and Alaska, the best black and the best white in the world. Absolutely love them. Taking the tiniest bit of black and popping it over some random places again. Don't want it to be like a solid section of black because I still want to see through to the glitter. So once I've put some on, I'm dipping my brush in IPA and just sort of watering it down so that it's more like a shadow than a black, just to give it a bit of dimension. We're doing a galaxy, so just to try and make it have a bit more depth, like the galaxy. Love galaxies. Love Guardians of the Galaxy, actually. Planning on watching that again for like the 15th time in about 2 months. So just popping some black bits on, watering them down. If I overwater them, then I'm just adding a bit more, and then that will have a cure as well. And this is the first base, the base coat. I'm doing a layer of that, but that is not going to be cured, because I'm now going to take Alaska with my brush and just run some random squiggly lines through it to create sort of nebulas, and then using the base coat to let that bleed and bloom, and just push it around and make it a bit more wishy-washy. I think I did faff around with this a bit, well, maybe not too much, but probably more than necessary, and just watering it down and then adding a bit more white here and there as I saw fit. And then that went in the lamp as well for 1 minute. Hope everyone's keeping safe and well and not going too stir crazy. I am certainly missing talking to clients. That's probably why I did another intro, which I don't normally do, because I miss having just random weird conversations, just talking about all kinds of shit. Just miss having a good gab. What am I, 90? No. I'm 82. Yes, missing my clients, so I'm offloading on you guys, I'm afraid. I've cured that and I'm just outlining the nail. I didn't do the best job because obviously where it's sparkly, glittery polishes, and I'd sort of been dabbing and things, it wasn't completely smooth surface, so they weren't the perfect outline lines, but hey ho, what are you going to do about it? And once that's done, I flash that for like a few seconds, five seconds maybe, just so it doesn't move, while I then add this bit. I'm doing a dot of polish and then using the polish from that dot just to pull out from the center and create a star. I wish I'd have stopped there, but I didn't. I carried on and just added these little bits coming out there, and I also wish I'd done another one of those, but I didn't. So I'm just adding some little dots to be stars, and it doesn't have to be just in the dark areas. I think I do some on the white as well. And that was all she wrote. So that's what it looks like at the moment. I topped it, and then because it wasn't perfectly smooth, I then buffed it, and I'm now topping again just so it was a bit smoother, as I say, where it was a bit bumpy from having the different layers of glitters and things. So that had a cure for 1 minute. That's diamond gloss, and there you go, a kind of mishmash marble type looking galaxy thing. I don't know what to call it. Glitter galaxy I went for, I think. I hope you like it. Sometimes some of these sort of more nonsensical, like that sentence, more nonsensical nails have a really cool effect. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay in. See you next time. Bye bye.